If you accidentally deleted your Chrome history on desktop, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted history in Chrome desktop using two simple methods that may help bring back your browsing activity. This is especially useful if you cleared your history by mistake and need to find an important website, search, or tab you closed earlier. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop. The easiest place to start is Google My Activity, because if Chrome Sync or Web Activity was turned on, Google may have stored parts of your browsing history even after you deleted it locally from Chrome. In the address bar, type myactivity.google.com and press Enter. This will take you to your Google Activity dashboard. Next, sign in with the same Google account that you use in Chrome. Once you're signed in, you can browse your saved activity and look for browsing history, search history, and visited websites. Depending on your settings, you may still see pages you visited even though the history is gone from your browser. You can use the search bar on the My Activity page to look for a website name, keyword, or date range if you're trying to find something specific. If the history is there, you can open the save result and return to the site you needed. Now, if that doesn't help, there's another quick trick you can try inside Chrome itself. Sometimes you can restore recently closed tabs and windows, which is useful if you were just working on something and accidentally closed it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and T at the same time. Chrome will reopen the most recently closed tab or window. If you press it again, it may bring back the tab before that, and in some cases you can keep going to reopen multiple recently closed pages. This won't always restore a full deleted history list, but it can help you recover tabs you recently had open and get back to the sites you were using. So to recap, first check Google My Activity at myactivity.google.com to see whether your browsing data is still saved under your Google account, and then use Ctrl Shift T to restore recently closed tabs in Chrome. These two methods give you the best chance of recovering deleted history on Chrome desktop without needing any complicated tools. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.